Today I'm speaking with Wesley Driver, Sales Account Manager for Century Refrigeration, about the innovative Centinel Intelligent Defrost Control System. This control system improves refrigeration systems' energy efficiency and reduces operating costs. Thank you, Wesley, for taking the time to speak with us about this unique system. To start us off, how is the Centinel different from traditional control systems?
In a traditional control system, the system defrosts on time, whether the coil needs it or if it doesn't. The pins will have to be filled, set, and installed to determine how many defrosts will be initiated in a 24-hour period. Using the Centinel, we're defrosting the coil on demand only. So with that being said, we're only going to defrost the coil when it needs it. The Centinel uses 4 temperature sensors. There's 2 in the coil, 1 return air sensor, a suction line sensor, and a suction transducer. These sensors and transducer monitor and determine when a defrost is needed. The sensors determine the efficiency of the coil, and when we lose more than 10% efficiency, a defrost is triggered. During a traditional defrost, the heaters will remain on the entire length of the cycle and will terminate at a coil temperature above 100 degrees. While the Centinel, we use those 2 coil sensors to determine the temperature and the rate that it is rising. When the sensors indicate that the coil is above freezing, it'll shut the heaters off, allowing the residual heat to dissipate throughout the coil, and then once the temperature is leveled back out, the heaters will come back on, continuing defrost. It'll do this 2 or more times a defrost cycle, leaving the heaters off 40% of the time, saving money on electricity and prolonging the heater's life. We're also going to terminate defrost when we reach a maximum coil temperature of 50 degrees. So us doing that, we're going to have to remove less heat out of the room during that defrost.
And what are the greatest benefits afforded by the Centinel control system?
Some of the key benefits of the Centinel are that we're reducing commencing time on initial startup. We're able to communicate, monitor, and adjust settings to the system remotely. So we're able to see how the system is operating, saving us follow-up trips to the job site. The controller also has the ability to send out alarms via text and email. Along with that, we're controlling the compressor runtime and off time, the evaporator fans, and the room temperature. So using the Centinel, we're able to run our refrigeration system at its optimum capacity.
And lastly, Wesley, what applications is the Centinel best suited for?
The controller is perfect for walk-in coolers, freezers, display cases. The Centinel can also be retrofitted on existing jobs that are having icing issues.
Thanks so much, Wesley, for sharing this information about the cutting-edge, new Centinel Defrost Control System. For more information on the Centinel and other industry-leading cooling products available from Ray Corporation and Century Refrigeration, please visit www.ray-corp.com.